I just got this pack from a survival store. Let's check what's in it. Just opening the package right here. Gonna be good. Right here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, these are really good. Then we got strawberry muesli for breakfast. 3 of those. Then we got 3 fruit smoothies. Then we got a whole package here of food as well. It's pasta bolognese. Really nice. Also 4 of those. That's what we got.